Today I am back with another video of English grammar series. Now, today's topic is simple compound and complex sentences. Yes, it is also known as transformation 3. Objective in the chapter: to change the type of sentences from simple to complex, from complex to simple, from simple to compound, from compound to simple, from compound to complex, and from complex to compound. How to say which sentence type is it? Answer is see the conjunction. Yes, you have to see the conjunction and check if it is a subordinate or a coordinate conjunction. If it is a coordinate conjunction, then it is a compound sentence. If it is a subordinate conjunction, then it is a complex sentence. Now let's see all the coordinate and subordinate conjunctions. Coordinating or coordinate conjunctions: whether or, either or, neither nor, nevertheless, as well as, yet, therefore, otherwise, not only but also, or, so, nor, both, still, consequently, and. These are all the coordinating conjunctions. Now let's see the subordinating or subordinate conjunctions, because that since, through, though, as, if, after, for, as soon as, hence, so that, until, although, unless, before, thus, no sooner than, who, when, where, why, which, whose, whom, while, whoever, whatever, whenever, wherever, whichever, whomever. These all the conjunctions are subordinating or subordinate conjunctions. You will have to mug up or remember all of these sentences, or you will not be able to determine which sentence is it. We can also determine the type of sentence by another method, but it is a little confusing. I will show you that also. But let's see the rules first. When we convert it from simple to complex, we have to cut the preposition and add a subordinating conjunction, subordinate conjunction, or subordinator. When we convert from complex to simple, we have to cut the subordinating conjunction, subordinate conjunction, or subordinator and add preposition. When we convert simple to compound, cut preposition and add coordinating conjunction, coordinate conjunction, or coordinator. And when compound to simple, cut coordinating conjunction, coordinate conjunction, or coordinator and add preposition. Compound to complex, cut coordinator, add subordinator. Complex to compound, cut subordinator, add coordinator. Now let's check some sentences and see if we can find its type by another method. Simple sentence. It is also called an independent clause as it can stand alone and make full sense. Complex sentence. In complex sentence, there is a dependent clause and an independent clause. In compound sentence, there are two independent sentences. Examples: I am a brilliant student. It is a simple sentence as it does not have any conjunction and it is not made up of two sentences. He sold the necklace which belonged to his mother is a complex sentence, as which is a coordinator, and he sold the necklace is the first sentence and belonged to his mother is second sentence. He sold the necklace has a complete meaning, but belonged to his mother does not have complete meaning. He saw the tiger and climbed on the tree is a compound sentence, as he saw the tiger climbed on a tree. Both are meaningful sentences, and is a coordinator. Let's see the detailed examples of simple to complex. Subject, verb, object. She knows the truth is a simple sentence. And she knows what is the truth. Subject is she, verb is knows. It is a principal clause, as it makes full sense. And what is the truth is a subordinate clause, which has the subordinator, verb, and the object. Subject, please. Verb, understand the meaning of your life. It is a simple sentence. Please understand what is the meaning of your life. Please understand is the principal clause, and what is the meaning of your life is the subordinate clause. Subordinator plus verb is always there in complex sentence. Edward will not expose the secret without my suggestion. Preposition is without here. My is subject and suggestion is the verb. Edward will not expose the secret if I do not suggest. If I do not suggest is the subordinate clause, and Edward will not expose the secret is the principal clause. It is a complex sentence. If is the subordinator here, which derives from without, and my becomes I as subject, and suggestion becomes suggest in the subordinate clause. Now 2 equals so that plus subject plus cannot. When 2 is given, this formation is used. I am too tired to walk with you now. I am so tired that I cannot walk with you now. So, I am so tired is the principal clause, and that I cannot walk with you now is the subordinate clause. Simple to complex. Examples. He sold his mother's necklace. Answer. Or we can say the complex form. He sold the necklace which belonged to his mother. Intelligent student achieved the target. Those students who are intelligent achieved the target. He went out after his discussion. When or as soon as his discussion was complete, he went out. In this sentence, there are two complex forms, when and as soon as. So we can either use when or use as soon as. I went out at 4 o'clock to eat food. When it was 4 o'clock, I went out to eat food. I had met her before her marriage. I had met her before she was married. Shyam goes to the market from away for his house. Shyam goes to the market which is far away from his house. I had seen him sleeping in the garden. I had seen him while he was sleeping in the garden. She is too lazy to help me. She is so lazy that she cannot help me. They cleared the fact to me. They cleared to me which was the fact. She searches her lost purse. She searches the purse which belonged to her. Foolish students waste their time in watching television. The students who are foolish waste their time in watching television. Rohan will not expose this secret without my suggestion. Rohan will not expose the secret until my suggestion. Now, we can see that in all these sentences, from simple to complex, we cut out the preposition and make two sentences. We can say one principal clause and a subordinate clause. In subordinate clause, first there is the subordinator, then it is the verb or the helping verb, and then it is the object. And in the principal clause, there is the subject and the word. But in some cases, the verb could also be present, or the noun could also be present in the subordinate clause. Let's see the detailed examples of complex to simple. Now it is the reverse. You have to convert from complex to simple. I know the man who has cheated you. Who is a conjunction and has is the helping verb. When you convert from complex to simple, you have to change the helping verb to its participle form. I know the man having cheated you. Next one. The staff members are so lazy that they cannot complete the work in time. So becomes to. Yes, when the word so is given, to to is used. Complex sentence. The staff members are so lazy that they cannot help me. The staff is too lazy to complete the work in time. In simple sentence, when so is given in the complex sentence, in simple sentence, the staff, it is the subject, and to is used, and then the verb is used, and then to is used. Now let's see another one. Once the opportunity is lost, it is lost forever. Complex sentence. Once is an indefinite word, so we have to cut that out, and is his helping verb. We have to cut that out also. The lost opportunity. It is an opportunity, but it is lost. So we can say it is an adjective. Opportunity is the noun, is lost forever. It is a simple sentence. Now let's see another one. Childhood is the time when a child needs to be cared and loved. It is a complex sentence. When is the conjunction here? So we definitely need to cut it out. A child needs to be cared and loved during childhood. When there is a duration given, you can use during or duration or something time related word that can describe the situation easily. Complex to simple examples. Ravi was sad because she lost a pen. Ravi was sad because of her lost pen. I am surprised that she got 1 crore rupees from the lottery. I am surprised at her getting 1 crore rupees from the lottery. I met him in a garden where your house is located. I met him in a garden near your house. This is the point where you are innocent. At this point, you are innocent, or this is the point of your innocence. In many sentences of transformation, you may find two answers. Those who are rich people are always misers. Rich people are always misers. She explained why he was wounded. She explained about his wound. Wound is the object, and we are talking about the object here, and so about is used. 7. This is the river which has great importance in the Indian history. This is the river of great importance in Indian history. When I was studying Bhagavad Gita, I knew more about life. While I was studying about Bhagavad Gita, I knew more about life. It is a time period and we were learning it. So it was a throughout activity. So we have used while here. She said that she had divorced her husband. Becomes she said about divorcing her husband. I have no money that I can give you. I have no money to give you. It is well known that he is an artist. He is a well known artist. How long her brother will survive is doubtful. Duration of her brother's survival is doubtful. Tell him that she does a job. Tell him about her job. In this type of conversion from complex to simple, we saw that in complex sentences, we can understand the sentence and then we have to just convert it as we speak English. Let's see the simple to compound detail examples. Having killed the tiger, she went back to her friend's house. We saw before that participle is always used in the simple sentences. She is the subject here. So the subject remains the same. Having is the participle, so its verb form becomes had. She had killed the tiger and then is the coordinator. She went back to her friend's house. Notwithstanding her beauty, she could not get the crown of Miss India. Notwithstanding always converts to but when we convert it to compound sentence. She was beautiful, but she could not get the crown of Miss India. Besides become not only but also when it is converted from simple to compound sentence. Besides creating problems, she has never accepted her faults. She creates problems, but also does not accept her fault. These are two tasks, and so she is doing these both tasks. So, not only but also is used here. She not only created problems but also has never accepted her faults. She did both the tasks, and so not only but also was used here. Simple to compound examples. The judge sentenced the girl for pickpocketing. She was pickpocketing, so the judge sentenced her, or she was pickpocketing, therefore the judge sentenced her. So and therefore have the same meaning, so you can use any of the words. He climbed on a tree watching a tiger near him. He watched a tiger near him and climbed the tree. These are two tasks which were performed one by one. So he watched the tiger near him and climbed the tree. These are two sentences or two tasks, so and is used. Besides earning money, he is planning to invest it. He is not only earning money but also planning to invest it. He is wanting to do both the tasks, and so, but not only but also is used here. With all his intelligence, he could not get the aim. He had all his intelligence, but he could not achieve the aim. Ramesh sat on a chair eating his breakfast. Ramesh sat on a chair and ate his breakfast. He did both the things and so it is and is used here. In order to achieve the greatness, she sacrificed her life. She wanted to achieve greatness and so she sacrificed her life. Being happy with her son, she gave him a gold ring. She was happy with her son, so she gave him a gold ring. So and therefore are mostly used in the reasonable sentences. Like we can say, she was happy with her son, so she gave him a gold watch. He was fined for his bad habitation. He had bad habits, so he was fined. Notwithstanding her beauty, she could not get the crown of Miss India. We saw this example before. Now, that is it for the first part. I will meet you in the next part. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment any doubts or suggestions in the comment box down below. Please, please, please support. And also turn that notification bell on after subscribing so that you will be notified about all our future video uploads. Till then, goodbye.